Right, hey guys, and today we're going to be doing a video on Fishing World, where you just peacefully fish. Not much inside video, but I'm running out of ideas. So about me coughing. So yeah, here's just me, video of me fishing, I guess. I will talk to you. Oh, 20 subs. I'm not doing a 20 sub special at. I might do it today. I'm going to do it tomorrow, probably. I just got to try and run into some girls. People at school know what I'm doing. Jesus, what the... Yeah, so right now, as you can see, I've got a fish on my hook, but I can't get it in. It won't come in. Just come in, you stupid fish. God. So fish of the day, we got a £8 American shad. Yep, that's not the best fish I've ever caught. Just before I started this video, I caught an 11-pounder. Oh, that was an £8 American shad, wasn't it? I already forgot about it. Jesus, look at some of my challenges. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna fish with some actual fish now, like fish for fish for fish, because then you'll get fish to eat other fish which are bigger normally. Fishing. My life sucks, as you can tell. At least I got half term. I'm just sitting on my bed now. So yeah, guys, put suggestions in the comments if you even watch my channel, what I should do next. Like games or reaction videos, or what I should react to, or stuff like that. This fish is really easy to catch. It's not even challenged me. I wait for the fish to load for a second. I'll see how big this is. Oh. Let's go to my fishing boat so I can look at a smallmouth bass. Because something didn't feel right like that. It didn't like feel big enough. Because it was only running around, it didn't feel like it could actually eat another fish. Jesus, man, Jesus, this is annoying. So we got some big fish. Let's see what we get if we fish with crawdad. This game is a lot more fun than fishing in real life, take my word for it. Real life fishing is like, put it in, wait 10 minutes, put it in, wait 10 minutes, and you finally get fish and then it snaps your line and you're like, oh, I have to pay for the line. And it eats all your bread. It's like a little gambling pursuit. I'm catching the fish out. The fish is getting fished. Oh, this is teeny. It looks teeny weeny. A smallmouth bass. I leveled up at least. I get bloodworms. They can sometimes give you really good fish. Bloodworms are normally great at getting you good fish. Oh, it was a £10 catfish. That looks like a 10 flipping pound catfish. Are you joking me? Right, we're gonna put it right here, just so they have no chance. Oh, my internet just went down. No. We're gonna cast it right here, so if it comes, we're immediately gonna get it. They're not very fond of the bait. I was about to catch a £10 catfish. caught something and it's giving me quite a challenge. I'm really concentrating. This game is really tough to get in big fish in. Especially with the rod I have, it's like a really weak rod. Rod! Can't pronounce my arms properly. Cinderella. Try to pronounce my arms properly. Rain. Red ruler Randy. A catfish! Catfish. Well, I think all that bloodworm really gives me is a catfish. Right, let's go to a different part of the world. Right now we're in USA, let's go back to Britain. We all drink tea over here. Well, I have no idea what fish are available here because I've never actually fished in this spot before. Right, see if they like bloodworms in England. I'm from England, but you know. Oh god, I caught something already. This isn't a fish. This is not a fish. Yeah, this isn't a fish. We got a cat. We found a statue of a cat. That's no way that was a fish. Did that actually take a bit of my bait? A toy cat eating my bait, Jesus. Okay, this is actually like a fish because it's moving. How big of a fish though? I guess we'll find out in a minute. Hey, what did we catch? We caught a whaling! What are some of these fish? I don't think I've ever caught a whaling before, at least. Jesus, it's getting mental. Right. Russian roulette fishing. See where we get. We're going to be apparently doing it here. I know this is the most entertaining video. It won't be though. It's only fishing. We got a koi carp. It looks like it's bad. It looks like a normal carp with a paint splashed over it. Jesus, I'm gonna make this video about 10 minutes long. 2 minutes. Jeez, people have caught 30-pound versions of this fish. I can only catch 1 to 10. No, I can't. I can catch more than 1 to 10. Caught 11-pound carps before. I've caught 11-pound carps before. Jesus. Let's try to get some 11-pound carps in. Now we're fishing with practical fish again. This is the last fish we're going to catch. We're going to catch one more fish and I'll end the video. Hopefully we get a big one to finish it off. This one's just swimming away. Yeah, this fish really does not want to get caught. I know what it's like, just keeps spinning away. Yeah, it's only there, isn't it? What did we get? We got a £3 Welsh catfish. Right, what a video. Like, this was entertaining sport ever, isn't it? Bye and see ya.